The liver's reputation as a detoxification organ often overshadows one of its most fundamental and strategic roles: nutrient storage. More than just a biochemical factory, the liver functions as the body's long-term warehouse for several critical vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, and copper. This isn't a minor convenience, it's a vital safeguard. These nutrients are essential for everything from vision and immunity to red blood cell formation and neurological function. But they're not always available from diet in consistent amounts, which is why the liver steps in as a kind of biological reserve bank, ensuring continuity of supply even during periods of dietary insufficiency. This storage capacity gives the body remarkable resilience. For example, vitamin B12, a nutrient crucial for nerve health, energy production, and DNA synthesis, can be stored in the liver for 3 to 5 years in healthy individuals. This means a person could stop absorbing B12 today, due to digestive issues, medication, or a shift to a poorly planned vegan diet, and still feel fine for months or even years, thanks to the liver's reserves. But once those stores are depleted, symptoms of deficiency can emerge rapidly and with lasting consequences. Fatigue, brain fog, depression, numbness, and even irreversible nerve damage may result. In many cases, it's not a problem of poor intake, but of poor liver function that prevented proper storage in the first place. The same is true for vitamin A, essential for skin, immune defense, and night vision. It's stored in liver stellate cells, which release it as needed in controlled amounts. Disruptions in liver health due to inflammation, alcohol, or metabolic dysfunction can interfere with this process, leading to symptoms like dry skin, poor immunity, or difficulty seeing in low light, even if dietary intake is adequate. Similarly, the liver plays a central role in regulating iron. It stores excess iron from food and releases it when needed to support red blood cell production or immune function. But when liver function is compromised, iron balance can swing out of control, either contributing to anemia from poor release or to toxic overload from poor regulation. Vitamin D, although synthesized in the skin with sun exposure, must also be converted and stored in the liver before it becomes biologically active. Low liver function impairs this activation process, potentially explaining why some people remain deficient in vitamin D despite sun exposure or supplementation. Even copper, a trace mineral required for enzyme function and iron metabolism, is stored and processed through the liver. Imbalances in copper, either too much or too little, are often signs of underlying hepatic dysfunction. What this reveals is a hidden dependency. Nutrient balance doesn't begin and end with the gut or diet. It depends on the liver's ability to store, regulate, and release those nutrients in response to real-time physiological demand. A well-functioning liver ensures that the body can ride out periods of dietary fluctuation, illness, or stress without collapsing into deficiency. But if the liver is overloaded, fatty, inflamed, or depleted of the nutrients it needs to perform these roles, this backup system quietly erodes. People may take supplements and eat well, yet still suffer from deficiencies because the organ that's supposed to manage their nutrients is struggling in silence. Fortunately, the liver's nutrient handling capacity is highly responsive to care, supporting it with key cofactors like folate, B6, magnesium, selenium, and antioxidants can restore its ability to maintain long-term nutrient balance. Diets rich in whole, colorful plant foods, quality proteins, and healthy fats help reduce inflammation and replenish liver stores. Avoiding excessive alcohol, reducing processed food intake, and staying hydrated also give the liver the conditions it needs to function as nature intended. Understanding the liver's role in nutrient storage reshapes how we think about deficiency. It explains why symptoms may take years to appear, why lab values can sometimes be misleading, and why treating only with supplements often yields disappointing results. True nutritional health depends not only on what we eat, but on how well the liver can store and deliver what we've eaten over time. It's a long game, and the liver is the reason we can play it. Supporting this organ isn't just about detox, it's about building a foundation of nutrient security that supports every cell, every system, and every stage of life.